So today we're going to talk about how to use your Instagram account to build your home remodeling business, to get more of those bathroom remodels and room additions and kitchen remodels. And if you're doing, custom home builds, those kinds of things, ways you can do that. We're going to be using our client Wichita Homeworks here as our example. And there's a couple of things that I want to point out to you in how this page is being run, the things that are there, and why Instagram is important. Number one, you need to remember that what you do is very visual. People want to be able to see a distinct difference before and after. And ultimately, if people are honest, what they're wanting is they're wanting you to create that living space, that bathroom, that kitchen, that room addition, that deck, that patio, whatever it is, that makes their friends a little bit envious. They want to have the thing that everybody else wants to have. And so one of the things you have to do is you have to showcase visually what you're able to accomplish. The thing that's going to drive your business is the social proof of your own capabilities. Now, a couple of things I want to point out that Wichita Homeworks has done. They've got, of course, their name here at the top. They talk about what they do: construction, remodeling, and exteriors. They're licensed and insured. Free estimates are available. And then they've got some important hashtags in their profile. The city name. And here in Wichita, ICT is actually the airport code, and so it gets used a lot. So they've got those types of terms, and then of course they've got their website link here as well, and it is a live link, so you want to make sure that you have that in place on your Instagram profile. But then they've also created some categories: deck builds, custom home build, basement remodels, kitchen remodels, bathroom remodels, living rooms. So they have put together a portfolio as part of this profile, if you will. And then, of course, they've got regular posts, and they're using a combination of video and imagery. They like to show their projects start to finish. That's a lot of what they do in their marketing. So they're always taking pictures. They're always keeping their fan base updated on what they're working on and showing that before and after. They show their team at work, but they are constantly keeping this platform active. And that's one of the biggest mistakes we see remodeling companies make. They've taken the field of dreams approach, that if you build it, they will come. Well, the truth is, in Instagram, people are bored. They're scrolling through their phones, and unless you have something interesting, they are not going to pay attention to you. And so this team has done a great job of that. They've got 1,153 posts, 5,669 total followers. And so they've got a good audience that they are reaching every time they post content. So I would encourage you to come out to their Instagram profile, look around, see what they're doing, because they are a great case study in how to use Instagram to drive your business. And you have to remember, Facebook and Instagram are tied together. And so when we advertise for Wichita Homeworks, we're also going to advertise into Instagram, because we not only want to penetrate this audience, we want to penetrate those who are connected to that audience. So just a few thoughts for you. If you haven't already scheduled a strategy session with me, I would love to talk to you about your business and how we can help propel you forward here at Remodeling Marketing Team. Have a great day.